Incheon, a vibrant coastal city located adjacent to the South Korean capital, Seoul, offers a compelling blend of modernity, cultural heritage, and natural beauty that beckons travelers to explore its multifaceted offerings. As a major gateway to the country and the site of Incheon International Airport, the city seamlessly marries its role as an international hub with its rich historical significance. Central to Incheon's allure is Chinatown, a colorful and bustling enclave that immerses visitors in a fusion of Korean and Chinese cultures. This district showcases ornate arches, vibrant lanterns, and a multitude of dining options that serve up delectable Chinese cuisine, allowing visitors to savor an international culinary experience. Incheon's pivotal role in modern Korean history is commemorated at the Incheon Landing Operation Memorial Hall, where visitors can delve into the story of General MacArthur's audacious amphibious landing during the Korean War. The hall's exhibits and artifacts provide insights into the city's strategic significance and the courage of those who defended it. Songdo International City stands as a testament to Incheon's vision of urban planning and technological innovation. This futuristic district is characterized by towering skyscrapers, cutting-edge architecture, and a network of smart technologies that create a sustainable and efficient urban environment. Incheon's maritime charm is evident at Wolmi-do Island, a leisure destination where visitors can enjoy amusement parks, aquariums, and panoramic views from the observatory tower. Nearby, Wolmi Traditional Park offers a serene escape, providing a glimpse into Korea's historical culture. For a relaxing day by the sea, Yeongwangni Beach is a popular destination, boasting golden sands, azure waters, and a laid-back atmosphere. The beach's proximity to the airport makes it a convenient spot for travelers seeking a coastal respite. The beautiful Munhak Baseball Stadium allows sports enthusiasts to catch a thrilling baseball game while soaking in the lively energy of the local fans. Incheon's art scene is celebrated at the Incheon Art Platform, a creative hub that supports artists, exhibitions, and performances. The center's commitment to fostering artistic dialogue contributes to the city's cultural vitality. Incheon's culinary landscape is a journey of flavors that reflects its coastal location. Fresh seafood reigns supreme, with dishes like janjiogue, grilled eel, and ganjang gajang, soy-marinated crab, offering a taste of the ocean's bounty. The city's vibrant markets, including Sinpo Market, provide an authentic experience of local life and gastronomy. In essence, Incheon's blend of historical significance, modern innovation, and natural beauty creates a diverse and captivating destination that resonates with a wide range of travelers. Whether it's exploring cultural enclaves, embracing technological marvels, indulging in culinary delights, or simply taking in the coastal charm, Incheon invites visitors to embark on a journey that reflects the spirit of contemporary South Korea.